Hi, this is Wendy Van Workum, Programming Assistant at the Lakeshore Museum Center. One of my favorite Christmas memories growing up was always baking Christmas cookies with my Grandma Ball. So as my kids have grown up, we have made it a tradition to bake during the holidays. A lot of times it's that same cookie recipe that I made with my grandma, with some of the same exact cutters, and other times we try new things. This year, my daughter Rowan and I decided that we wanted to try to make Springerle cookies. These cookies are anise flavored cookies that have a kind of a cake-like texture, and instead of using cookie cutters to cut them out, you use special cookie molds to press into the dough, and then you take it off and it leaves like an embossed design behind, and then you can cut the cookie out into the shape that you want around the design that's on there. So check out this video of me and Rowan's attempt at making Springerle cookies. I hope I said that right.